Firstly, heat the oil or ghee in a large saucepan which has a lid and add the onion, ginger, garlic and spices. Mix together and fry for 1 to 2 minutes until aromatic. Now add the minced lamb and use a spoon to break the mince up and cook until it's fully browned. Now add the tomatoes, the lemon juice and the rice and mix everything together. Now add the water and place your lid on and cook for around 20 to 25 minutes until the rice and meat are both fully cooked. Now add the chopped coriander and give everything a good stir. Serve with sliced tomatoes and enjoy.